Flu. Have you heard the saying that it gets over in 7 days without medication and 1 week with medication? If you have the flu, I will tell you what you need to do to get better. If you have a sore throat or a cough, drink herbal tea. Make sure it is not too hot. I recommend ginger tea and mint lemon tea. To get rid of your cough quickly, boil 5 or 6 marshmallow flower seeds. Drink the water warm. You should increase your vitamin C intake for a quick recovery. Foods such as oranges, tangerines, broccoli, lemons, and grapefruit are rich in vitamin C. Resting will help you recover quickly. Drinking plenty of water will help balance your body temperature. If you put Vicks dissolved in hot water where you are lying, it will help you breathe easier. If you have phlegm, drinking soup will clear it up. Spicy food will help you fight the disease by raising your body temperature. Airing out the room you are in will reduce the spread of viruses. If you haven't heard of the onion cure, which is often used in the Middle East, it is a great cure for the flu. Take 1 medium-sized onion and cut it into quarters, discarding the brown skin. Boil the quartered onion in water for 5 minutes and drink the boiled water when it is warm. You will see a lot of benefits. Gargling your mouth with salt water helps to kill germs. If you know someone who has the flu, share this video with them. If you have severe symptoms or prolonged discomfort, you should see a doctor. Don't forget to like and follow us. Have a healthy day. Thank you very much.